Today we talk about Modbus TCP IP. Modbus TCP IP is simply the Modbus RTU protocol with a TCP interface that runs on Ethernet. First, we should know what means TCP IP. TCP IP is IT term. Okay, everybody know use internet, use IP. TCP means Transmission Control Protocol. IP means Internet Protocol. Okay. Modbus TCP IP message is simply a Modbus communication encapsulated in an Ethernet TCP IP wrapper. TCP IP provides the transmission media for Modbus TCP IP message. So, Modbus TCP IP just use physical interface is Ethernet. Okay, what's Ethernet? Ethernet just is this one. Everybody uses the internet, use RJ45 connection is a computer. Okay, this call is Ethernet. It seems RTU Modbus RTU RS485 is the physical there. Okay, in general, Modbus TCP IP use TCP IP and Ethernet to carry the data of the Modbus message structure between compared devices. So, for example, how to understand the Modbus TCP IP? We just give you one simple example. If you buy some stuff on Amazon just care about how to deliver your stuff go to your house online on the correct address. He don't care about what's your stuff you bought. So Amazon the transportation is called TCP IP, but you bought the item is the Modbus message. Okay, this one is very simple. You understand. So we know is Modbus RTU is frame is address, function code, date, and checksum is CRC. But just a function code, date, embedded to the TCP IP frame. This one TCP IP frame is IP address in here, all this stuff. We don't care about this one. This one is IT get all this. We just understand. Is Modbus good where? Just go here. Okay. It's Modbus frame with TCP IP transmission. Okay. So if we use Modbus TCP IP, we should know his port is 502. If you use some software, do some Modbus programming, listen and receive, just use the port 502. Okay, Modbus TCP IP client server listen and receive Modbus data via port 502. Also, we should know Modbus TCP IP completely different than Modbus RTU. Modbus RTU just one master, multiple slave, but Modbus TCP IP is one client, is a master, is any network device that send data request to server. A server or called slave is any program that await data request to be sent to it. Server do not initiate contact with client, but only responds to them. So some devices operate as both client and server. So some device could be client, some on the is server. That's called Modbus TCP IP. Okay. If you do Modbus TCP IP, we should hold emulation. We use Modbus pole and Modbus snail to emulation this way. It's too simple, all the same thing. Just how to configuration connection. If your connection in here, okay, we choose Modbus TCP IP in here. We choose Modbus TCP IP here. But IP address, we should go to control panel. Go to network. Go to network sharing. Go to change. Now here we can use virtual machine is network. Also, we can use Ethernet network is, but here we didn't have the network cable is Ethernet cable. We don't have, so that's why we don't use this one. We just use Microsoft loopback adapt. Use this one. If you know how to do this, if you don't know how to do this one, you can check my previous video. Talk about how to set up. It's the Microsoft loopback adapt. Okay. Here we use this one 192.168.100.100 is IP address. Okay. Also, we can use this one. It's which box is IP address. Here is same thing. Okay, we just use Microsoft loopback adapt. Okay. Here use 192.168.100-100. Okay. Connection TCP IP. What about TCP IP? Okay. No connection here. We should have connection. Connection. Okay, now it's connection. Now we set up. Same thing, all the Modbus RTU. Here we can use this one. Set up with slave ID. Here slave ID 10 is 110 0 10, all the same thing. Okay. Before we talk about this one, easy. So we use reading hold register. Okay. Okay. Then we go right down 1, 2, 3. Look, here's communication. Okay, 156. Look, 156. Okay, that's it. It's all the same thing. Reading, you can use read code, read discrete, and write all the same thing. It doesn't matter. All this is RTU. Before we talk about Modbus RTU, okay, here we don't talk too much. Okay, we just talk about Modbus TCP IP, how to communication, how to emulation. What's mean Modbus TCP IP? In the future, we can use the software to communication with this Modbus TCP IP emulate. Okay, thank you very much.